How to contact Whatnot support and submit a help request. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Whatnot app and then head over to your account in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and you can see contact us option. Tap on it and then choose what issue are you facing, whether it is with payouts or the issues account or general. Just tap on the category and then select the reason. And once you have selected the report reason, you can describe the issue that you're having in detail, and you can even add the screenshots of the issue so that it will help them understand it better. And then you can hit submit in the top right, and Whatnot will get back to you within 24 hours and help you. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.